Hello my friends, and welcome to a chat from the engineering desk. So as you can see, my plant over here is doing quite well, and I want to start germinating another bean, well, another seed. In this case it's a bean which we want to germinate. So I've got my petri dish here ready, but the bean, it is called a lazy housewife. It's a runner bean. What we're going to do, grab the petri dish, fold up a Kleenex and stuff it in there like that. Check that you can see what I'm doing. Yes, you can. And install bean. Okay. I'm just going to zoom you in there and see what I'm doing. Put you in the center there. Put some water to the right here. Just take the dropper and wet it. And add some more water. I'm adding enough water to the point where the tissue paper appears wet, but I'm not quite flooding it. That'll do. So there's our seed in the tissue paper. Those are our petri dish, and wait for it to germinate. Now let's have a look at this plant growing over here. Now, all of that stuff at the top appeared in the last, since you saw this the first time. So this whole section over here has grown since I made a video over the weekend about this hydroponics setup, and over here it's starting to flower, so it appears very happy. And down here, two suckers coming out as well. Another one at the back there, like so. And then water wise, it is dropped from about there on the reservoir. So it's been very happy here. The lighting has been, zoom it out, this lamp and that lamp over there, which I leave on during the night, and then during the day when I'm at work, this whole area is in dark, so the plant rests while I'm at work during the day, and then it grows at night while I've got these two lights on. It's sort of a backward situation, but it's working quite nicely for this plant. So that's an update on this situation over here. I want to start experimenting with nutrient form technique next. So over the weekend I'm going to look at getting some stuff and start cobbling it together. That's also going to be an interesting experiment. I just need the piping and make some more baskets. I've got a pump, and then we can get playing with it. So thanks for being here. Wish you a wonderful day further. Thanks for watching until the end. Thanks for joining me for an update, and take care, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you for more. Cheers.